'Cause girls like you run down with guys like you till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, it's Viva Pink Posh. Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, welcome. Thank you guys so much for clicking and tuning into this video. You guys, I know what you're here for. You're here to see someone slay the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette, and that someone is going to be me. So you guys know I'm freaking extra, so I had to pair this look with bright colors, bright hair, bright backdrop. So you guys know I went in for this look, and I'm freaking excited how this look turned out, guys. Like, I completely love it, and I know you guys are gonna love it too. So if you're interested in watching this tutorial, just stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, so I'm first going to be doing my brows, and you guys know that I do my brows off of camera, so look in the description for that tutorial. So I'm just going to go in with this base today. I'm using the P. Louise base, and this is in the shade Rumor 02. And this is actually the first time I'm using this P. Louise base, and I don't know how I feel about it yet because I feel like it did crease a lot on my eye, but it definitely worked for the colors. So I'm just going to be basically patting this on my lids. I'm not using swiping motions, and then I'm just going to go ahead and carve out my brows using the concealer that I already had applied to my lid. I really like this base, but I feel like it actually compares to the BH Cosmetics concealer that I always use as an eyeshadow base, or even the ColourPop concealer. Those two concealers I swear by, guys. So we're going to be using the Thirsty palette, of course, you guys already know, and I'm just going to make sure that this concealer base is basically flat and there's no creases. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Taste Buds, and it's like a light peachy color, and I absolutely love it. Like, these are one of my favorite colors from this palette. So I'm just going to blend this color out and basically build it up. Then I'm going to go in with the color Biatch, and I'm going to be applying that on the kind of the lower lid, but not the lower lid, basically underneath where I put that first shade. And then I'm going to be dragging it in because we're doing a half cut crease. So that shade is called Kumquat, and I'm going to be just basically deepening up my cut crease with that, and I'm only applying it in that area. So then I'm going to go back in with that P. Louise eye base, and I'm going to be scoping out my cut crease, guys. You guys already know the deal for a cut crease. Don't expect to master the cut crease right away. It does take practice, so you guys don't feel bad if you don't know how to do it right away. Then I'm just going to press down on that concealer. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Submerge, and this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful blue, and as you guys can see, it's very pigmented. A lot of people were complaining about the pigment on the blue shades, but for me it worked well. And that shade is called Splash, so I'm just going to be fading that shade into the first blue that I used to make it look like a blue transition, which came out super beautiful. So the yellow shade is Quench, and then I'm going to be putting that right in the tear of my eye and basically blending that into the blue. So then I go in with that same Kumquat shade, and I'm just perfecting that. So I decided to use one of the glitter shades, which was Filthy Rich. I thought it was Lick, but it's Filthy Rich. So for liner today, we're going to be going all out, and I'm using one of the new Liquid Velour lipsticks, and this is in the color Coral Fixation. So I'm basically just going to draw my line. I'm using this Tarte eyeliner brush, and it worked pretty well. I did have to go over the liner twice to make sure it was not streaky and it was more pigmented. So now we're just going to go into the face, guys. We're going to do the face rather fast, so let's just get into it, guys. So for primer today, I'm going to be using Almay's Luminous Primer, and I'm just going to be applying this in my T-zone basically and blending that into my face so that it's nice and flawless. You know, you got to fill in those little holes in our face. So So for foundation today, we're using ColourPop's new foundation. I'm in the shade Medium Dark 145, but I actually want to go a little bit darker because on camera, this one showed up pretty light, and I don't like when I have white foundation face. I'd rather go darker. So yeah, I'm just going to blend this into my face. I'm going to do a full review on this foundation later on. So we're using Tarte's bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer. It's called Hotel Harris. And I'm just going to be scoping out my face and my nose, which I forgot that I was supposed to conceal first. So I'm just going to conceal after I do this. No biggie. So for concealer, this is my freaking holy grail concealer. And it's the ColourPopCosmetics concealer in Medium Dark 30, guys. I swear by this concealer. Like whenever someone asks me for a concealer recommendation, I swear by this. Like this is like my third jar of this concealer because I absolutely love it. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend in that concealer, making sure everything is nice and seamless and flawless. And then I tell you guys I had to go back in and contour my nose because I did it first. I don't know why. I was just all over the place. So I'm gonna be setting my makeup using the Airspun setting powder. As you guys know, I don't bake, but I'm gonna have a baking video for you guys real soon because those Huda baking powders are coming in most likely today. So I'm gonna be using this ABH blush kit, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Breeze. For lashes today, we're using Huda lashes and Sasha number 11, and we're using this Tartecosmetics mascara. Then I'm going to go and do the same exact thing with my bottom eye that I did with my top eye. Super easy, guys. And then we got to go over it with mascara because I wanted my lower lashes to look dramatic. So then we're going to be setting our makeup with the Tarte setting spray. And I actually got it in my eye, which really sucked, but I'm okay, guys. So with this spray, sometimes it comes out blotty, so you got to go over it with a beauty blender. And for highlighter today, you guys know I go in with the highlighter. We're using Fentybeauty's Kilowatt highlighter. This is in Me, Money, and Hustler, baby. So I'm just gonna highlight the heck out of my face. You guys know, like, I've been going crazy with highlighters. Have you seen my Instagram posts? So I'm just gonna highlight for my life. You guys know the deal. I basically highlight everywhere. The only place I don't highlight is my forehead. So then I'm gonna go in with that same color, Coral Fixation, on my lips. And for some reason, this color was very streaky to me. I had to go over it like twice, which sucks, but it turned out to look really nice. And then you guys know I've been loving like these black dots on my face lately, so I'm just gonna put a few of those, and that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments below. Until next time, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.